Are you struggling to find a supplier that sells in-demand products at wholesale prices? The SaleHoo directory is here to help. Using the advanced search filters, you can quickly slice and dice through over 8,000 legitimate suppliers until you find the perfect one. I'm interested in drop shipping security cameras. Straight off the bat, I get a full list of security camera suppliers. However, as I'm only interested in drop shippers, I select that filter. If you want to change your mind, you could select anything from wholesalers to liquidators, manufacturers, or any combination you liked. Prompt delivery is important to most buyers. Therefore, I'm going to narrow down the results to North America, as I want my US customers getting their orders fast. Alternatively, you could tweak your selections to include all regions if you wanted a greater range of suppliers to choose from. If you're intending to sell to people all over the world, try selecting Ships Worldwide. By doing so, you'll expand your potential customer base and be shown suppliers who can ship to any of your customers, regardless of their location. Instantly, SaleHoo has given me a comprehensive list of suppliers that match my preferences. Let's check out iFunCity. You can see they've been online for 12 years and have been on SaleHoo for 9 years. This gives me confidence that I can trust them with my money. Also, by reading their overview, I can see they sell what I'm looking for: security cameras. This supplier offers blind dropshipping, which is ideal as customers won't know where the goods came from. I also love how they offer free shipping, as it keeps profit margins high. I can contact this supplier through SaleHoo simply by clicking this button, Contact Supplier. We'll send you an email once they've replied, typically within 48 hours. You can also read and reply to any supplier you've contacted from inside SaleHoo in case you can't access your email. iFunCity has been automatically saved to my favorite suppliers, which means I'll easily be able to find them again directly from my dashboard. You can save as many suppliers as you want simply by clicking Save Supplier. Just like that, I found a message to dropship supplier that ticks all the boxes, all within a couple minutes. Go ahead and try it for yourself.